Now everything's our technology. This world, our classroom, our laboratory. And an uncertain future society needs a lot more than just me. So together we build, getting stronger each time. We collaborate, create, design, and combine.
Because we are the makers, the modders, the dreamers. The hackers, creators, designers, and schemers. We're the what if and I wonder why, about thinking and tinkering and give it a try. Every problem, just an opportunity to improve our lives, our world, our community. What can we build? And what can we make? What can we fix? And what can we break? And as we learn, we play, we explore and race, we help make the world a better place. And at the center of this space is this. And together, we make the future